Ang tanong ko lang sa'yo, kamusta ka ngayon?
I'm good, I'm doing great actually, and I'm preparing for the Miss Universe Philippines pageant, and it is really my dream, and yeah, thank you so much.
Wow! And also, would it be okay, kasi may madaming nanonood sa atin ngayon, give us a little fun fact about you, sino si Milen, saan siya galing, ano yung mga pageants na nanasalihan niyo? Sino ka?
Hello Universe, I am Melian Joy Montenegro Cabigas, 24, and I am a 4th year student of Northeastern Mindanao State University, Tandag City Main Campus. And aside from being a beauty queen, I am also an athlete. And I am pro in term of discipline because I believe that in line with this, it is to propel my advocacy towards this year.
What is your advocacy speaking of?
In terms with preservation of our natural resources and in sports. It is in line with Siargao as surfing capital.
And ano ng mga pageant na nasalihan mo before this
Before
Miss
joining Miss Universe, I have joined Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao and crowned as ecotourism. And also Hias the Philippines.
You're 20...
I'm 24.
24.
Yes, you have a question?
Yeah. So, sabi nga kanina, no, puksaan ang term natin for this year's edition. We have celebrities, yung mga veterans sa mga pageants. No, you're fresh face sa atin, sa Miss Universe Philippines. So, paano ka makikipagpuksaan? Anong atake mo or strategies for this year's edition?
As for myself po, I just want to show what Million really is. And I have come to Miss Universe Philippines. I should be prepared, and with the help of our local director and our major sponsor, Madam Infinity, and we can give our best, absolutely.
Wow!
Can you tell us the process kung paano mo nalaman yung screening sa Miss Universe Siargao? Kasi sabi nga ni Ma'am Helena, so dumaan ka daw sa screening. So, kwento mo yung process.
I've been eyeing this title since last year because I failed to join. I failed the opportunity. But then again, if it's meant for you, it will happen. So yeah, I was contacted by my sponsor and nagsabi siya na ganito, ganyan, may opportunity and it's your time. So luckily, nag-screening, ganon, nag-isa. Actually, nag-isa siya. Yes, nag-isa ako sa Q&A. But then, thank God. And thank you also, Madam.
Gusto ko yung term nag-isa, parang pwede natin gamitin next year.
Gisaan? Gisaan!
Hindi kasi next year parang, okay, word naman, pwede naman sa. Pwede
better.
Or
saan one? Saan two?
Pwede.
So, hindi, it's not that easy to...
Tama, pati ano,
Nag-event na yung ano, di ba?
It's not that easy to get this title. I really worked hard and with my determination, just stay tuned.
Wow. Sige.
You
Later ulit yung kong question. Guys, question?
ano pa?
You may take that.
O yan, ganyan na.
How would you stand out in the competition given that there are so many beautiful and aspiring candidates also of Miss Universe?
For me, my strategy would be, I am an athlete myself, so I am disciplined and my determination is incomparable with others.
Wow.
So I guess that's my edge.
What quality of an athlete that would help you win in the Miss Universe
Of
competition?
course, being disciplined, as this is my advocacy. Yeah.
So,
Good luck.
you said you're an athlete. Anong
Yeah, ano sports?
Sport.
Arnis po, I am a national athlete.
Ay, nakatakot
Dumaguete.
Marshall Dumaguete. Why in Dumaguete? Bakit?
National po yun.
It's an
Mayroong
yung
kapatid.
yes.
May jowa ka ba, girl?
Ay!
Meron ako. Meron siyang arts.
Arnis showbiz.
So,
You said earlier Lilian, that you joined Miss Philippines Earth Mindanao and Hias ng Pilipinas. What pageant lesson have you learned from those pageants that you joined that you want to parang improve in Miss Universe Philippines 2025?
Of course, with the experiences before, I would like to improve my styling because it is really something that people are really eyeing for every candidates in every segments. So it's a plus.
Correct. And it will destroy.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
can
Make
make
or
or
break
break.
yung styling. So your team is so important.
Alright, can you share us kung ano yung mga preparations mo since malapit na yung press presentation, yung mga media events na Miss Universe Philippines?
Of course, aside from being physically fit, I also prepared for my team, like some wardrobes and Q&A. I help also my coach. And for Pasarela, we're going to discuss it with Mom. And for the final plans.
Who's your favorite Miss Universe Philippines that you look up to?
Dalawa po sila.
Yes.
Actually, it's Miss...
Isa lang.
It's Miss Universe Philippines Catriona
Wow.
and Pia Wordstack.
Of course.
Dalawa.
Yeah.
And why?
Incomparable po talaga. Like, they are an epitome of all the positive attributes of a beauty queen.
Kamusta ang suporta ng family?
Oh, God. Oh, good. Kasi, I've been into pageants for a decade. Yeah. So, they're really used to it and they're really supportive regards with it. So,
Dahil dyan, meron tayong VTR.
Please watch this.
and also my siblings are here. My
Mm-mm.
my
Ah,
ate and my
ah.
brother, yeah. They're in Manila.
A decade. So bata pa siya nag-start.
Yes,
14.
Yes.
That's right. That's why isa pa talaga bata.
It's really my passion.
Yeah. Of course, hindi mo to i-disclose ngayon. So, can you give us na lang idea or parang clue na lang ng magiging national costume mo? O, sabi mo nga ni Madam Helena na last year nag-viral yung national costume. So, ano ba yung, ano na lang?
Viral pa ulit.
Ayan. Anong
Of course,
idea kayo?
aabangan nyo talaga kasi hindi lang yung sabi nga before na kulang sa execution.
So, may concept ka na?
Yes. Personal. Din.
Wow.
Gusto ko talaga yung hands-on.
Gusto ko yan.
Yeah. Kasi ako yung tipo na candidate na I want to know everything. I want to see everything before ko suotin.
Organized
before
na.
Yes.
Pati gown.
Yes po. Hands-on po.
Are you going to tap designers from Siargao or Surigao
Actually,
for your OOTD?
may ano po, combination po yung yung collaboration po talaga. May
Nice.
local, may sa ibang ano. Yes po.
Ano yung piece of advice ni ating local director, Ma'am Helena?
Just be yourself. Yun lang. And do your best.
I will.
Yeah. Ang liit ang mukha.
And before we end, Lian, would it be okay if ano yung magiging message mo sa supporters mo and at the same time sa lahat ng mga taga Siargao noon na nanonood ngayon sa atin?
And to all my supporters, especially Siargao noon, and I want you to witness the most beautiful pageant in the Philippines because I will be there. I will be representing our beautiful island. And all I can say is that aabangan niyo talaga.
And of course, kailangan ng sample ng introduction!